Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So kids, now we open colors. First we are opening the color of yellow. The color of yellow. The next one is green. Now we are opening the color of green. The color of green. Kids, now we are opening the color of red. Now we are opening the color of red. Red color. The next one is white color. Now we are opening the color of white. The next one is black. Now we are opening the color of black. And the last one is blue color. The color of blue. Black color. Kids, today we draw alphabets A to Z. So now we're opening the color of black and draw the alphabet of A. The alphabet of A. B. C. D. E. F. The alphabet of G. H. I. J. K. L. M. N. O. P. Q. R. S. T. U. V. W. X. Y. Z.